Okay. Ooh. Who doesn't love a wolf? Well, maybe a werewolf might be a different story, but there are friendly werewolves apparently. So, but this witch here wants to make some kind of brew here, and for the brew, the witch needs a fourth of a werewolf's toenail. Not going to be good at drawing a werewolf's toenail, but I'm guessing it's going to be pretty sharp, right? Something, scary and sharp kind of thing. But if you could figure out a way to take a fourth of that, right? And so for each fourth that we're going to get, like, I don't know, just pretend like that equals 1/4 right there of the toenail. This might be a fourth here, another, because it's not even, but, if we were to like turn the toenail into a nice rectangle somehow, you take a fourth of it, right? 1/4 right there. Pretend like that's all nice and even. Well, yeah, that's nice. You guys have a great imagination. Imagineers, future Imagineers, right in the house. So what I'm saying here is like this is a fourth, that's a fourth, that's a fourth, and that's a fourth. Now, for each brew, the witch needs a fourth, but we're going to make 5 brews, 5 batches for each batch. I'm sorry, for each batch. The brew, yeah, we're going to brew. Okay, so we need a total of how many would that be? We need a fourth for one batch, a fourth for our second batch, a fourth for, and then another fourth, and then we need 5 fourths. Oh my gosh, really? Yeah, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And this could be also done by, of course, the famous 5 times 1/4. And of course, if you write this in AB form, if you just want to go kind of math on us here, all you got to do is put 5 over 1, because that's 5 wholes, times 1/4. And then, of course, if you multiply 5 times 1 is 5, 1 times 4 is 4, you get 5/4, which, by the way, is improper. So we would take 5. This is really cool because this is really going to go right into what we're learning today. 5 divided by, oh, that's sloppy. Clean up your mess, Mr. Hoffman. Yes, honey. Yes, dear. Okay. I won't tell you who dear is. That's my wife. Don't say anything. Don't tell her I told you. 5 divided by 4. How many times does 4 fit into a 5? You can fit it there one time, right? And of course, then what do you have 4 times? What do you have left over? You have 1 left over. 1 what though? 1 will go, remainder goes on the top. Can I get a R, please, for remainder? R color red. Can we just kind of make that red here? Remainder like a red-nosed reindeer kind of thing. Sorry if you don't celebrate Christmas there. No offense. Please hopefully you don't take any offense to that. Anyway, so we put a 1 up here. That's where the 1 goes. Sorry, so sloppy too, by the way. Why am I apologizing? Just do a better job, Mr. Hoffman. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's not better. This video is supposed to be really short and it's getting long. Okay, 1 and then 1 what though? We're talking about fourths. See, if you're starting with the denominator as 4, you're going to end with the denominator as a 4. Boom. By the way, did you see if you add this repeated addition is the same thing as multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 what? 5/4. All right, you know the rules. Be kind, stay on task, keep the chat on task, no social media links. We have one assignment. You can see it in OMHS. By the way, what do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite. I can subtract, multiply, divide multi-digit numbers. Okay, so I think you know, and I'm going to stick with the color codes here. When operations, I love to make my operations color coded in orange because orange starts with O and operation starts with O. And here we go, multi-digit decimals. Let's see here, like 0.223. That's a multi-digit decimal. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 4 digits, but there's only one number. See, this is one number with 4 digits. Just kind of getting you. By the way, we're saving this here for Thankful Thursday. You're going to be very thankful on Thursday because we get to work on word problems with multi-digit decimals. But today, what's your confidence level with just doing the adding, subtracting, multiplying multi-digit decimals? Go for it.